This video is meant to show you how to export an STL file from Fusion. So once you have your 3D model completed and you are looking to set it up for a 3D print, you simply come up here to the File menu, go down to Export, and then right here, this drop down, you can scroll down to STL files, give it a name right here. Make sure that you're saving it at a place that you're going to be able to access it. This is by default going to downloads, which is where I usually leave it. Hit export, and that should be able to be located right here in your file explorer by simply scrolling down to downloads, and it should be right at the top of the list right here.